In this video from Casio Help, we're taking a look at how to clear the E004 error INIT FC problem on the SE-C3500 register. It's an initialization error, and there seemingly is nothing you can do about it. So if you turn the key round to the reg position, try and process a sale or log in, you just get the error message come back over and over again. If you turn round to PGM, you're just having this exactly the same display, and there seems to be nothing you can do to clear it. The only way of clearing this problem is to perform a flag clear on the machine, which the machine is actually very close to doing. All you need to do is to make sure the display reads FC and all the Fs, and to do that you press clear, make sure the key's in the PGM position, then you press subtotal, and the machine should perform the flag clear for you, which will return you to the program mode, meaning you can either carry on programming the machine or go back to the reg mode, where you'll then be able to process transactions. Hope this video has been helpful. There's more videos on programming and using the 3500 appearing on screen now, which you're welcome to watch. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.